welcome to the Global SIMARIS Challenge. Let's check it out together.
When we talk about designing an electrical network, an electrical grid, an electrical system, we talk about reliability, not only on electricity, but on life itself. And it's fair to say that if you are a good electrical engineer, you will save a lot of lives during the time you are out there in the field, during the time you're working. Enjoy the challenge and the results, and no matter what's your place, you're a winner anyway.
We have 3 winner teams and I'm already excited which is the winner at the end. The 3rd place, this is PowerMind from Egypt. The 2nd place is FF Electrics from Denmark. And the winner is the STEAM team. Congratulations to Julius and Carsten.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for being part of the SIMARIS Challenge, and hopefully we'll see you again.